So here I'm fixing a split in the nail. I'd already temporarily fixed it in between appointments, but now we're removing the gel, and I'm carefully doing this with a hand file instead of an e-file so that we take good care of the natural nail and it doesn't catch on an e-file. If you try and remove the gel around a split with an e-file, you could risk catching that split and breaking it even more. It may seem like excessive filing, but I'm making sure that I'm checking the nail regularly to tell how much product I'm removing. So here I am live doing a repair. Yeah, we're taking it right back and I can see that the product is removing nicely. So I can go in and fix. Because I didn't file it right back, did I? I did a temporary fix, I think.
Yeah, you did a temporary because we knew I was in.
Yeah. So what I did is I just filed it back a little bit and then fixed it. Whereas now I've just filed through that gel and that gel's come off lovely. So just getting the last remainder of that gel off. I'm going to shape it. There's still a little bit of gel on the tip, but as long as it's off of the main area of where the break is, that's fine. So you can see that the product is off here now. There's just a little bit around here. So I won't need to prep this nail other than around the cuticle area when it comes to prep, because I have just done it all. But you can see where the break is here because she did some gardening and didn't look after her nails. So
nails, I've just got to be excited with the gardening.
So to fix this, we are going to use some silk on there. And then use some little tweezers to peel the silk off its back end. It doesn't want to peel. And this has its own little sticky back. So it's like a plaster for the nail, really. So I'm just going to go over with a little bit of nail glue. Fixed. And then we'll go over that with our normal builder, so I'll just do a fresh application on that one nail. But now that that's done, I've done that first, so I can go in and prep and shape all the other nails while that nail glue is drying and it's securing on there. So once I've prepped and shaped all of the other nails, I will go back in and just prep that nail. The glue will be dry and I can go in as normal with a fresh application on that nail.